The final Prophet of Allah Almighty sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam has stated, "Indeed, closest to me on the day of judgment amongst people will be the one who recites the most salat upon me." Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam. Dear viewers of Madani Channel, the company one keeps has its effects on him. For example, if you meet an Islamic brother who has tears in his eyes, a grieved look on his face, and a sad tone in his voice due to the death of some of his relative, you will also become grieved for a while because of being with him. If, on the other hand, you happen to meet an Islamic brother who is talking happily and joyfully with a smiling and shining face, you will also automatically share his happiness for some moments. Likewise, if a person keeps the company of those who do not care about their afterlife and feel no hesitation in committing sins, it is feared that he will also become heedless of his afterlife like them. If, on the contrary, a person keeps the company of devotees of Rasul who remain busy day and night making efforts for their reform to achieve success in afterlife with their hearts shining and eyes shedding tears with divine fear, it is hoped that he will also wholeheartedly gain a similar spiritual condition, inshallah azza wa jal. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam.